I don't think Kareena likes me. Says Priyanka Chopra in the latest issue of Filmfare. Priyanka also quotes from one of Kareena's earlier interviews, and it is already raising eyebrows. Priyanka and Kareena have always shared cold vibes, especially after their respective trysts with Coffee with Karan recently.
Why did she have that accent?
Right. I think it was the same place that her boyfriend gets it from.
If you're number one, then who's number two?
Who's number two? Oh my God. Well, if there's a little bit of act and actress, then Priyanka Chopra.
Okay. Oh.
There were talks of a patch-up. But it seems after these Filmfare comments, the war will further heat up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for your favorite show in the cyber world. Yes, we are talking about Bollywood This Week. Hrithik Roshan bites the reality TV bait. Yes, he is going to be judging the dance-based show Just Dance on Star Plus.
Thank you all for being here this evening. I've always believed in the spirit of competition. According to me, competition is the only way you can actually have other people push you to excel in life. So I'm very, very proud to be associated with the #1 GEC of the country, Star Plus, and together with two of the best talents in our country, Farah Khan, Vaibhavi Merchant, who will accompany me in a mission to hunt, to search the best in dance from across the globe, India, UK, US, for that ultimate dancing champion.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here. Well, this is beautiful because my association with Star Plus has been long and fabulous, to say so, and also with Soul Productions. So this is probably one of my third shows that I'm doing with Star Plus. And thank you. Thank you all for coming. मेरे लिए दो स्पेशल रीजंस है ये शो करने के लिए. एक तो स्टार प्लस से मेरा रिश्ता, मैंने बहुत सारे शोज किए हैं उनके साथ एंड आई थिंक आई एम पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली. एंड सेकेंडली ऑफ कोर्स द मेन रीजन इज कि जिस डांस शो में मेंटोर ऋतिक रोशन हो, आई हैव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट शो बिकॉज आई थिंक द शो इज गोइंग टू बी ब्रिलियंट. एंड वैभवी और मुझ पे बहुत ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी है दैट वी फाइंड सच ग्रेट टैलेंट that person can stand on the same stage as Hrithik and do a dance performance. So we hope to find you really, really great talent.
1, 2, 3, 4. मिला लो कदम से कदम, दिखा दो डांस का दम.
Priyanka Chopra shows 7 ways to lose your Valentine.
Well, first and foremost, good evening everybody. This is a very, very wicked night. And I'm very, very happy to be celebrating my Valentine's Day with all of you. ये एक बहुत स्पेशल फिल्म है, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं. फांसी के फंदे हैं, पॉइजन है, खून है, खराबा है. It's obviously got to be special. और हम लोग एक साथ हैं.
प्रियंका, अगर आपको 3 ऑप्शन दिए जाए, गाना ब्रांड, शाहिद और शाहरुख, किसको आप चूज करना चाहेंगे?
तीनों बच जाएंगे शायद. जॉन को तो मार ही चुकी हूँ मैं, तो बचा सिर्फ शाहरुख और शाहिद.
What about Shahid? What about Shahid?
What about him? You have to ask the question ना, तभी मैं जवाब दे पाऊँ. क्या?
साथ जाना चाहेंगे?
कहाँ पे? आपका सवाल मैं समझ नहीं रही।
वैलेंटाइन डे पर जाना चाहेंगे शायद?
मेरा तो डेट आपके साथ है।
मेरे साथ?
नहीं, यहाँ पे आप सबके साथ। अब ये दिल किसका है वो तो खुदा जाने।
Shahid Kapoor became the first actor in the world to fly an F-16 fighter plane in Bangalore. We bring you all the excitement.
मैं इसी बारे में बहुत खुश हूँ कि जो मेरी फिल्म मौसम है, जिसमें मैं एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर का रोल प्ले कर रहा हूँ, उसके थ्रू कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लोगों तक, पूरे देश तक ये एक्सपीरियंस पहुँचाने का मौका मिलेगा दैट व्हाट इट इज़ लाइक टू बी एन एयरफोर्स पायलट। जी देखिए, जब फादर कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं तो उसको मना करना कितना मुश्किल होता है, आप बताइए।
In a certain sense, it is reflected in a very positive and in a very highlighted manner in our film, The Indian Air Force.
Melodious performance by Ali Zafar as he launched his latest music album, Jhoom, in Mumbai.
जो गाना है बेसिकली झूम, उसमें थोड़ी एब्स्ट्रैक्शन है अगर आप उसकी वीडियो देखेंगे। वी थिंक और वी आर मेड टू बिलीव दैट हैप्पीनेस लाइज इन मटीरियल things, in money, in fame, in fortune, in all of these things. I, in my brief journey through life, have realized and learned something, which is that happiness really lies in the simplest and the smallest of things. Basically, this is what the video talks about. Jhoom.
Let's fly into 8 CBETC interviews now. Shahid Kapoor on the comparisons with Tom Cruise.
I think it's natural because I think whenever you think about a film made on the Air Force, obviously that was the US Air Force, but any film made on Air Force, you always think about Top Gun, and so comparisons are natural. But Top Gun was more about war. Mausam is a love story, so the focus is on the love story. But yes, I mean, I guess that's the one memory that everybody has of an Air Force pilot, and so the comparisons will be there, which I'm happy with. I mean, being compared to Tom Cruise, nobody would complain here.
Priyanka Chopra shares her Dawn 2 experience.
Well, more than that, I think Dawn 2 was one of my most amazing experiences ever. It's a brilliant city, Berlin. The crew was so much fun. We used to all hang out every day after rap, playing games, chatting, singing songs, doing dinner. It was very lively and a lot of fun. So I think it was one of the nicest outdoors I've had.
Producer Sajid Nadiadwala on his special bond with Salman Khan.
When I wanted to marry, I showed him the photograph. When I wanted to buy an office, he was aware of it where I was buying. Everything what I do, he's aware of it. And it goes through him. Because our bond is nothing to do with films. It's been about 18 years and we've seen lots of ups and downs, emotionally, financially. And nothing in my life I will do which has not his stamp of approval.
That's all we have from this week's edition of your favorite show, Bollywood This Week. We leave you with the making of Ranbir Kapoor's latest Pepsi ad.
I like that. Good cut point. Okay.
Alright, till next week, take loads and loads of care, guys. Have fun. Bye-bye.
Music! आजा! उधर से लाने का, नीचे दबाने का, पीछे उठाने का, हाँ वीरू, वहाँ भी यही करना है। हेलमेट चाहिए?
Bollywood Hungama News Network.